Today we're going to be looking at F2 ambient torch-air lamp light from Honeywell. With full disclosures out the way, Honeywell very kindly sent me these lights to test. All the views and opinions that you hear today are going to be mine and mine alone. So let's get to it. So let's first take a look at the Honeywell torch-air standing ambient floor light. Now, for this studio, I was looking for an office light, something that is easy to use, something that makes and basically looks like natural light. So Honeywell very kindly contacted me and asked me to test this. Only happy to jump at the chance to test a Honeywell light. So they're a really good brand, and I've known about them for a long time. So let's take a look at what we get in this Honeywell floor light. So this is the F2. Give it a look. So as you can see, we get the instructions in here as well. So we get some instructions on the torch-air standing ambient floor lamp from Honeywell. We get the light head in there. We get this cool light head. We're going to pull that out. It looks like some assembly is obviously required, but it's pretty much assembled already. So as a floor lamp light, it's really useful that even though it's disassembled in the box, it's pretty much assembled there. So it's obviously not going to take too much assembling to put it up. This color is white. I'm going to take out, looks like a remote control in there as well. So there's a Honeywell remote control. Just show that to the camera. So there's a Honeywell remote control. There's also an Allen key, so I'm guessing to tighten up the lamp, and a power plug in here, which is a kind of old school, old-fashioned circular plug. So no USB type C within the box here. And that, if we pull out the polystyrene next, so that's the first layer. Pull out the polystyrene, set it to the side. And then we've got this base lamp. Now, what you can't tell on camera, what I can't show you, is how heavy and sturdy this feels. So this is a really good weight. Now there's not a weight on there. I don't think it says how much this weighs on there. So the torch-air standing ambient floor light. So Honeywell obviously included this, and this is a really good sturdy base. I don't know if you can see that base there. This is a very good sturdy base. So really impressed with the quality of that base. There's nothing worse than when you get a lamp and like that, it kind of feels lightweight, the main light, I understand, and then you get a flimsy base, which basically means the light is going to fall over. But with this is a really good weighty base, so that's fantastic. So let's kind of put this together now and just kind of see what it's like. Now let's get through some of the stats of this Honeywell lamp light. Now it says a 180 full spectrum LEDs, the high-end CRI 92 for natural true light. That's really important for me, particularly in here, because what that does mean is that I don't have to turn on the lights. Now the problem with spotlights is that they are not like natural light, but this Honeywell floor lamp, this F2 ambient light, should offer that to me. It's the adjustable head on here rotates between 85 degrees and 270 degrees. There are 5 colour temperatures along with 7 brightness settings. There are 9 RGB ambient modes, so it's giving you a variety of different settings for the light as well. The remote control and the controls now of the lamp light. There are a couple of modes on here. There is an on-off switch, of course, a main light on and off, and you can increase or decrease the brightness. RGB light, which you can turn on and off. RGB gradient mode, a movie viewing mode, a gaming mode, a leisure mode, a reading mode, and an RGB breathing mode. So the Honeywell floor lamp offers lots of different lighting options for your various needs, for your various viewing needs all around your home. The Honeywell standing ambient floor light can also be controlled from the unit as well, and there are 4 buttons to talk about. Button 1 turns off the lamp light and installs the memory function. Button 2 is a long press button to open the main light, short press button to circle through the main light colour, and long press the button to slowly turn it off. Button 3, hold and slide up and down to strapless adjust the brightness of the main light. Button 4, short press to activate the RGB mode, double click to switch modes, RGB gradient, RGB breathing mode, movie mode, reading mode, gaming mode, leisure mode. In RGB gradient mode, short press to fix the current RGB colour, press again to cancel the function fixation.
Yo, let's go. Take a seat, sit back, enjoy the show. Yo, let's go. I'ma start out fast and I'll take it down slow. Yo, let's go. Take a seat, sit back, enjoy the show. I'ma start out fast and I'll take it down slow. Yo, let's go. Take a seat, sit back, enjoy the show. Yo, let's go. I'ma start out fast and I'll take it down slow. Yo, let's go. Take a seat, sit back, enjoy the show. I'ma start out fast and I'll take it down slow. Yo, let's go. Yo, let's go. Let's go. Yo, let's go. Yo.
There's only one thing I can really say about this Honeywell Torchier standing ambient floor lamp is that it's brilliant. It's absolutely fantastic for the things I need. What I really like is the variety of the different options for this Honeywell floor lamp. It just gives me that flexibility to control the light, particularly in this room where lighting for me is so important when I'm shooting videos or when I'm editing them, just to really have that natural light or have that ability to interchange between the various lighting options. So I fully recommend it. Thank you to Honeywell for sending me this Honeywell floor lamp. As per usual, thank you for watching. Please like, favourite and subscribe. And of course, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.